There's no workaround space, and we tilt the headlamp assembly. Wearing green gloves and put it light bulb in like this. Hi there, this time I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight globe of the 2019 Kia Picanto. So we're going to replace the headlight globe on the left side of this car. As you can see, there's no workaround space at this headlight globe terminal, which is awkward position since there's no way we can replace the headlight globe by hands. And then this time I will show you how to create a workaround space by tilting the headlamp assembly forward a bit. Okay, let's get our hands dirty, shall we? Okay, loosen these two bolts. The first one's here, and the second bolt holding the headlamp assembly is here. And remove the cap of the fuse box to free up some workaround space upwards. And we tilt the headlamp assembly and turn the cap. Just turn it anti-clockwise and take it out. See, we have enough workaround space here with the headlamp assembly tilted up. We put out the connector of the headlight bolt and loosen the clip by pressing down and lift it up. See, this is the clip and this connector. With the clean glove, take out the headlight bolt and put the headlight bolt in. So with your hand, wearing green gloves, and put it light bulb in like this. Just put away the connector. Yeah, with this terminal facing up and those two terminals facing the two sides, and put it in place. Okay, with the globe in place, put in place, and it's fixed, solid, cannot be rotated by your fingers. And then you just put down this clip by your hand. Just put down the metal clip by hand. Yeah, with the metal clip holding the headlight globe, you see the metal clip, push downwards and hook it up. Hook it up. Okay, it's done. And let's connect the connector. We connect the connector of the globe. Just push it down. Oh, good.